Hello everyone, welcome back to MyBrickTime. So today I'm gonna build and review on this new beach smoothie stand. Let's take a look at the box packaging. There's a lot of beach houses by the beach. There's coconut tree, and it comes with Nova and Niko for this set. There's a lot of fruits involved, and there's a very cute sea turtle as well. So Nova comes with two face expressions, and there's a beach a buggy, is that what you call it? But beach buggy too. So let's take a look what's in the box together. So over here we got not paper packaging bricks. So there are two booklets. Oh, surprisingly there are two booklets for such a small set. So Nova over here is a gamer, obviously. And let's take a look on the booklet number 2. It focuses on the beach smoothie stand build. Yes, very vibrant. I love it. And there's one small sticker sheet, which is a good thing. Very small, I mean not a lot for this build. Okay, I love it. And there's two bags of bricks. Yes, let's start with Nova first. So Nova is well known for gamer. I mean she's very good at gaming. And let's take a look on the top. There's Pac-Man, even Pac-Man printed on her sleeveless hoodie. Yeah, that's a sleeveless hoodie with shorts and sandals. And Niko over here. Let's take a look on the print of his shirt. So actually he has the shorts and the sneakers, same as the previous set. Candy. You can just go and take a look, and the top, I love it. I mean there's a camper van, the camper van, surfboard, and coconut tree printed on it. And this is a sea turtle, which is very cute. Next, moving on to the build of cooler. Yeah, so for any beach smoothie stand, you must have a cooler or maybe a refrigerator or fridge to keep all the cut fresh foods. And this is the yogurt and peanut butter jam. Yeah, so you just gotta make those smoothie yummier by those. And this is a signpost, the build for signpost. As usual, guys, I hope you guys will love this video. Please like and share it if you think that I have done a good job. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any exciting upcoming build and review video. So I will catch up with you in the recap section later on. So in the meanwhile, please sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any feedbacks or any comments, please don't hesitate to leave me a message in the comment box down below. And please check out on my last posted video as well for the beach water scooter set. You can actually combine together and play with them. I promise you it's gonna be so much fun. I will talk to you at the recap section later on. just to recap, guys, what do you guys think? I think this smoothie stand has very strong body bite. If you agree, just let me know. And you can make smoothie according to 2 menu sets. This involves 4 ingredients and another one is 3 ingredients. So you can just teach the youngsters to play with it and follow the instructions and make a smoothie. And I wonder what this is. I mean, maybe it's pulse again, I'm not too sure. And around this country area, I mean, you can just fit one person behind the counter. But I don't really like it because the person looks a little bit short. I mean, it's blocked by the ingredients, look as you can see. So I hope that they can come with platform, sort of platform for the mini dolls to stand on. And at the side, you really can't put anything on it. And let's put the menu board back on. So I love how the string is. It looks like a daybed. Daybed, I mean, which you can swing on. Yes. So let's put Nova on, like so. I mean, I love the whole look. I mean, it's so simple, but it's so vibrant. So the alternate play, you can mix with other sets and play with. So I will put a link in my description down below for this diving set and this set as well. I mean the scooter, the beach scooter set. So you can play around with it. I mean, it's so much fun. I mean, imagine you go to the beach vacation and you bring this along with you and play with that. I mean, I love it. So please don't forget to like and share this video if you really like it, and subscribe to my channel, please. And I will see you in the next video for sure. Take care and bye bye for now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.